Hi guys, this is a comparison video between Realme Buds 2 and Petron Boom 3 dual driver headphones. I am giving this review after using them for 1 year and more. You can notice the branding all faded away from a Petron. You can't see the Petron here. Actually, it was branded. Here also, branding has faded away. You can imagine how much I have used and reviewing it right now. Comparing both of them is a very bad idea because they both are best for daily driver and gaming. To compare or find difference between them, you need some professional, like sound professional, to find which driver has sound difference. So that much they are equally same. And coming to the price range, and also the reason for I am choosing this to review. Here you see Petron 4D dual driver Boom 3 earphones are for 599 rupees, and also Realme Buds 2 are also for the same price 599 rupees today. But I have bought Petron for 550 rupees. So coming to the drivers they used, what kind of driver you found in this earphone? Here you see Petron have two drivers aside, totally make them four drivers. So here you see very small drivers here they provided. They both make 8 mm, not each 8 mm, but they both make 8 mm, means one side 8 mm and one side 8 mm driver. So when it comes to the driver size, these are smaller but provided four drivers. And coming to Realme, you see this one side have 11.2 mm driver, means a little bigger, little not more bigger than the Petron dual drivers. So in case of a sound experience or bass like feeling, Realme 2 provides the best bass. But the phones which have Dolby support boosts this Petron. I have experienced it personally. The phones which have Dolby support may give or gives automatically a best experience in this Petron. Both earphones come with extra pair of these earbuds. These earbuds you see, but the color and quality is best in the Realme 2. The Petron have the normal buds which we get in the market regularly. They are very squeezy or normal type, but Realme have coloring depending upon the color they used in the headset, and quality of rubber is very nice. Very small, large and medium ones are automatically attached to your earphones already. And Petron comes with a extra clip. Here you can see it is a extra clip. You should attach it to this any part of your wire and clip it to your shirt. And also Petron comes with a extra pouch. Here you see in the box they will provide you extra pouch. To buy this it may cost you 50 to 100 rupees depending upon the quality and the branding you want to buy. I have placed a few other earphones you may see here. This one is a Skullcandy, Boat and other headphones. So I am gonna review them soon. So subscribe to my channel. And coming to build quality of the wire, in Realme they have provided a graded wire, which means it feel like literally it is a cloth wire. So you can imagine what it feel like and what are the benefits you can enjoy it. It means they won't get dirty first normally, and they won't get tangled easily, so they remain intact as you fold them. And coming to Petron, they have provided with a layered wire. We have the extra layer on the wire, the normal wire. So this one is also tangled free wire. I have used this for 1 year, so I am assuring that it will never get tangled. Even though in hard cases, even though it gets tangled, you can easily get them straight faster. Realme also have this one in the earphone wire. You see this is a soft belt. This is used to fold the wire and buckle it up. like you buckle your waist belt, pant belt, and it can also use it to use it as a clip to your shirt. Pull this thing from the hole provided for the button and buckle it there. And coming to this section, the mic section, Realme Buds have provided a premium looking, not premium quality, premium looking section here. You see this automatically appears as it is a premium one. Here they have given two buttons for all volume up and volume down, and another button in the middle is for answering calls. And coming to Petron given a best quality of plastic here. If you bend this one, you feel like you are pressing some harder substance. Coming to this Realme, you feel like a very lightweight one, and the plastic they have used it is like a cheaper quality one. And here coming to the volume management, Petron all have the best volume controller. You see, you can change the volume to extremely low in once time sliding it. So sliding makes a difference here. In-ear feel. Realme comes with magnetic ear plugs. They have the magnet on their back. They stick together. Petron doesn't come with such magnetic experience. Realme looks like normal driver out there, so fits like normal driver which are available in the market depending upon the buds you use. If you have a bigger ear hole, you use a bigger one, or smaller, you use smaller. But most of the case people have medium ears, so they use medium earphones. So this is like same like you are using a normal earphone. They don't look like you are wearing some heavy thing, even though it have magnetic back. They don't weigh heavy, they are normal. And coming to Petron looks unique when wearing, also lightweight, and feels exactly like you're wearing normal earphones. Even though it have two drivers, you will never notice you are wearing some big earphones than a normal earphone. What I suggest is music lovers and movies watching guys, I suggest you to buy Realme Buds, because they have bigger driver for best sound experience, and also have magnetic back, means it automatically have aluminum casing. So even though you sleep wearing them, it will never get damaged. In case of Petron, they have plastic. Sometimes it may be damaged or can be broken when you continuously plug in and sleep. So they are not suggested for you while wearing sleeping. And gamer guys, you have the advantage of 4 channels in Petron. So just imagine what sound you can hear while playing games. I suggest gamer guys, your headset is Petron. There is no other 4 channel headset in this price range. If you want to go higher, you can buy only one headset in the price segment, or below the 1000 rupees is only Redmi Mi Buds, which are also 4 channel drivers. They don't look like this way. They look like this way, but they are 4 channeled earphones. But they are priced at 800 rupees. So this is the review, guys. To rate them, there is no rating. They are both provided the best quality. So depending upon your usage, pick your headset. So thank you. This is my video, and I am going to review 9 different headsets. So please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.